Hi everyone, my name is Heather and I'm the person behind Happy Puppy Truffles. Today I wanted to share with you guys a cool new snack that you can get in Japan. This is available at Lawson convenience stores and it's called a Rilakkuma yaki. And if you are familiar with some of the snacks that are available in Japan, a classic snack is called a Taiyaki, and that's a kind of sort of a sweet, like pastry, sort of. I suppose it's actually more similar to kind of like a pancake, and it's in the mold of a koi or a what's the word I'm looking for, a goldfish, and then inside is usually anko, like a sweet bean paste, but then there's also ones that have like this thing, custard pudding. So this is like a play on that, but obviously it's in the shape of rilakkuma, and inside is custard pudding, which is my favorite. I like that a lot better than the red bean paste, just because I find that a little too sweet. But they had this available at Lawson. They do this every now and again where they have these unique kind of sweets that they have available at Lawson in their collaboration with rilakkuma, so you can get lots of things like that. A little while ago they had a coffee cup that you could buy, and inside was a like a pudding snack kind of inside, and kind of a cool little way to get extra items if you're a big fan of things. So I'll open this up here and show you guys what it looks like. Hold on a second. So you could probably heat this up if you wanted to, but you'd probably want to heat it up in a toaster oven because putting it in the microwave would make it kind of soggy. It's good if you heat these up in there. But that's sort of how it looks. It's really cute. Oh, he's adorable. And sometimes these things, you know, you never know if they're going to turn out good or not. This looks really cute. So to kind of give you guys an idea, I hate to do this. I'm going to tear you open. Okay. I'm going to just show you guys what it looks like on the inside. This is what you have inside with the cream. Maybe my color is a little off there, but you can kind of see there. And it's pretty cold because it's been in my refrigerator, but still really nice, tasty snack to have with some coffee. So that looks really sad because his head's pulled off. I'm going to put back together because it looks funny. But if you guys happen to be here, always check out Lawson if you're a fan of rilakkuma, because they are like in collaboration with each other. So there's always something cool and cute there that you can get. So definitely it's a place to check out if you know you're going to be visiting. And I'll have some more fun things to share with you guys in the days to come. Thanks again so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!